Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Yay! Good dancing, Brooke. You dancing with Grandma?
Yeah, you're in. Upcoming reservations. What's today? The 6th?
Yay! Good dancing.
Yep.
Yay!
Gregory's here. Next day.
Yay!
Next day.
High five! High five!
See today.
Good job.
I see refreshing today.
Give Grandma a high five.
Oh, I have it landscape.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, that was
Very
nice.
Hug. Give Grandma a hug.
Give Grandma a hug.
KBMD News Talk, 7 o'clock. Ellison, 8:30. Jeremy Ellison, 8:30 a.m. Doesn't say how long. And it says 10:30.
Put it in.
Matt Hagedorn. And then it says schedule.
Okay.
It doesn't say.
Bye, Brooke. Bye-bye.
Gray.